Hey there YouTube fans, AC Productions here, and today I'm going to be showing an unboxing of the Luimoto seat cover. So I just wanted to do a small unboxing and pretty much give you my first thoughts of how the seat cover looks like, first thoughts and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see that the box actually comes in a really nice box. It says Luimoto right here at the side, and it's a two-piece box. So let's go ahead and open it and see how the seat covers came out. Alright, so let's get started and let's open this up. Alright, so just go ahead and let's slide these two parts out. Ooh, so far it looks pretty good. Alright, nothing in there, so those two parts are empty. I'm just going to go ahead and actually just put this off to the side for now. Right over here. So far it's looking pretty good, and actually it actually comes in a sealed bag, which is pretty cool. So as you can see, it has never been opened, and I haven't even checked it out yet. So far it looks pretty cool. So let's go ahead and open up the package and really check out the seat covers. So these ones this one I actually got really custom made, and really on the fabric is what I wanted changed. So it actually comes with a little sticker right here. So I wanted the fabric changed from what it originally had showed on the website. So let me just go ahead and open. I really want to check this out. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Alright, so far looking pretty good. Alright, here's the little strap that goes for the passenger side seat. It's all like a carbon fiber look. On the other side of that you could see pretty much how it's, I guess, made. But this part's the part that goes on the top. Alright, this one is the passenger side seat. Let me go ahead and put this off to the side before we get to the main seat. And this looks really cool. I like the way they did it. So the cross stitching and everything, the diamond look. And I'll get into the whole fabric thing in a minute. But yeah, it looks really cool. I like it. It's definitely going to change the look of the R3. And then on the other side, this is how it looks like on the other side. You can see that they did some kind of markings, I guess, when they're doing the fabrication, or sewing it all together. All right, so this one's going to be the passenger seat, of course, and then let's check out the driver's seat. And it looks just as cool. It has a little bit of a more grippy fabric here compared to the main part, and it has a carbon fiber, like a carbon fiber look on the side. And since I have this piece so close to me, it actually has that new leathery smell. But so far it feels really good. Feels really nice on the material wise and everything. And then again on the other side, this is how it looks like. And again, they got some markings over here, I guess, when they're oh, and it actually has some lines and stuff. Not sure if you guys could see that. I'll probably do a close up here in a second. So I have some lines here, some markings of when they were doing the stitching and everything. But yeah, so far really good quality, and I'm really liking it. I can't wait to install it. But what I wanted to get to, what I was saying before, is that the reason I decided to go with a different material, I'll show you here. As you can see in the picture, the original came with Alcantara. So Alcantara was over here on the top part on both the driver and, on the rider and on the passenger side of the covers. And after actually doing a little, originally I was going to get that, but when I actually was doing a little bit of research on how to keep it clean and maintain, sometimes when I ride, I do get caught in the rain and stuff like that. So, trying to keep Alcantara, clean and really nice, it's going to be really hard. So it can get damaged fairly easy, and the maintenance on it was just a little too much. So I decided to go with the same material that our seats are originally are, and which is like a leathery material. So when I had contacted the company, and by the way, the company, when you do their customer service, is really good. Minus that it does take a little time to get back to with the emails and everything. So every time I had emailed them about the specifics of how I wanted the seat and everything, and also, by the way, this little strap over here also was from a different seat, which I wanted it together with this one. But they can customize the way you want the seats, and they have so many different styles of leathers and I guess designs and stuff like that. So you could kind of really customize. The only thing to note is that you'll only sorry to even get off a path here, but you're only allowed 2 samples when they email you. So getting back to the Alcantara is that, okay, so I wanted longevity of the seat covers. I wanted them to last a long time. So that's the reason I didn't go with Alcantara, and I wanted to get something that would be easy to clean. If I had spill anything on it, or if I get caught in the rain, I'm able to wipe it clean with no problem. And I'm able to get products, to actually keep the seats, looking like new and have them last a long time. So now getting to the customization of the seats. Yeah, just make sure on the website you'll see they have where you could get just the rider's seat, or you could get the passenger side seat, or you could get the combination of both, and that's what I got here is the both rider and passenger side seat because I wanted a match. And as you can see in the pictures here, they have so many different styles to choose from, and different colors. You get red, blue, white, all black. So those are just to name a few. And then, like I said, you could mix and match. Say you wanted a diamond one here, or you wanted a different pattern. I'm not going to get too much into specifics about mixing and matching and stuff like that. But just know when you do contact the company, they do have really good customer service, and they'll get back to you as soon as they can. What I noticed when I was emailing them on specifics of the seat is that it was probably I've never felt so anxious in my life on receiving an email. Normally, I never check my emails. So they just accumulate in there. And by the time I do get to it, I have thousands of emails, mostly junk. But this time I really wanted to be on top of it. And I noticed it was between 2 to 3 days until I heard back from them. But when I did, I was really excited. So once I got the final rendering of the seats that I specifically wanted, I was super excited. So pretty much after you agree on the customization, that's only if you guys get customization of the seats covers. If you just select one of the seat covers that they already have, and you like the way they look, you'll get it pretty quick. So once they receive your payment, and speaking of payment, just letting you guys know, if you guys are not in Canada, you are going to get hit with a fee, some kind of foreign exchange fee or something on your account. So yeah, that's pretty much I would say for this video. It's just kind of a short unboxing and my thoughts about it. Like I said, the customer service was really great from the company, so I'm really happy with the way everything came out. Oh, and before I forget, if you do decide to get customized seats, they are non-refundable. So once the only thing that they can return, if it's something defective with the seat, say there was a tear or something like that on it, you can return it and they'll fix it. But if there's nothing wrong with the seats, and you don't like the way they look once you get them, yeah, you're kind of stuck with them. They will not accept them back because it is a custom order to your specifications of how you wanted the seat to look. So I just wanted to do just a short video on it, on my first thoughts and about the seats covers and what I think. So let's not waste any time. Let's go to the next video. The next video is going to be on how to install these seat covers. And just want to say, if you enjoyed this short video, please hit that like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below. That way you guys are up to date with my latest videos. And thank you for watching. And also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.